Okay guys, so now we need to find out how fast is this new MJX Hypergo drift truck. Now this 14301 is really a beautiful truck, guys. Look at that shine in the sun. It's really awesome. It looks good. I've already mounted the GPS, and as you can see, it is measuring speed. So that's just by me walking. Let's walk a little bit faster. 5 kilometers per hour. So I've got the 2S battery installed at the moment, guys. Okay guys, so there is 4 speed tests that we are going to be doing today. The first one is going to be 2S at 70% and then 2S at 100%. The third one is going to be 3S on 70%, and the last one is going to be 3S on 100%. As you can see, guys, on the controller there, you've got off, 70 and 100%. So let's put it on 70. Let's switch on the vehicle. Just want to see where is that on button. All right, guys, there we go. All right, so let's see what we can get on 70. Quite excited to see, guys. I think this little car is going to be quick. Right, bring it back. Right, guys, that's it. Full steam at 70. Right, beautiful. Let's bring it back. Again, guys. Right, gonna bring it back. Let's see what we've got, guys. Whoa. So on 2S 70% power, we've got a speed of 31.5 kilometers per hour, guys. 31.5 kilometers per hour. Now we are going to reset it. Right, now we are going to do it at 100% power. So let's put it on 100%. Right, so here we go. Jeez, quite difficult. Oh, it's quite difficult to control this little bugger. Right, let's try again. Put this in here quickly. All right, guys, let's try again. Don't think it's going to be easy trying to get a speed run on this thing with that. Unfortunately, we don't have a steering dual rate, so it makes it a little bit difficult to do the sensitivity on it. All right, guys, that's flat, as straight as I could get it. All right, let's try again, bring it back. As soon as you start doing anything on the controller, there we go, guys, another flat one. All right. Looks quite, I love, oh! As soon as it points in a direction, it wants to go in that direction. As soon as you try to turn it, it flips it over. All right, so we've got a very respectable 42.9 kilometers per hour, guys. That is very respectable. All right, I'm quickly going to change the batteries to 3S. Okay, guys, so there is the 2S battery I just used. It's got a 15C discharge rate rather. So yeah, it's not a lot and it's already quite quick. I'm quite excited to see what's going to get on this bad boy here. So it's a 3S 25C battery, guys, and it fits perfectly into the bay. So this was an option when you bought the car on AliExpress. They had this as the option battery, 3S power battery, to come with it. So let's get it in and see what it can do. All right, guys, I've got the 3S battery installed. I've got an idea this thing is going to be brutal, guys. The tires that I'm currently running on it is definitely the only ones that I would suspect you will be able to do speed runs on. The other tires are very hard surface tires, but it looks like knobby tires, so I don't suspect those tires will be good at all to try and do a speed run. And then you've also got the drift tires, which is obviously not going to do anything. So right, let's put it on and see what we can get, guys. Okay, guys, so first up we're going to go for a 70%. Right, let's give it the beans. Okay, guys, that was definitely full speed. Bring it back. Alright, okay, that's definitely full speed, guys. It's not going to get any quicker than that on. Alright, so guys, you've got a 55.8 kilometers per hour. Now that is very, very respectable, guys. 3S 70% power. Now we're going to go all the way through to 100%. So let me just quickly reset this. Right, guys, just measuring us walking. Alright, now we've got beast mode selected. So here we've got a much larger surface to try and find a top speed for this thing. But there is a lot of stones, especially in the middle area of this parking lot. So I think let's try. As you can see, guys, the car's very bouncy here. But yeah, maybe we'll be a little bit more successful in trying to get a. Alright, guys, clearly a lot more successful. Right, guys, that's full throttle. That's full throttle. Bring it back. Right, guys, that's full throttle again. Okay, so that is brutally fast. Let's. Oh, through the water. Okay, yeah, so this was. Why is it not turning? It's not turning for some reason. Oh, there we go. Right. Okay, guys, so 63.8 kilometers per hour. 63.8 kilometers per hour. That's not too bad, guys, but I think we might get it a little bit ever so slightly quicker. So let's try. Right, let's bring it back. This is going to be the full home run, guys. Let's first just. Right, let's try to bring it back. Right, guys, so that's full speed. Oh, big crash. Luckily it's back onto its wheels. Okay, so the surface is full of stones, and that's obviously what? I don't know, it seems like the rear of the vehicle gets stuck. Okay, guys, that's literally full throttle, 100%. There goes the car, there goes the GPS. So probably hit this, I don't know if it maybe hit one of this drain gutter things here, and it sent it flying, so the body is probably busted now. As we know that Milan GPS is literally bulletproof. Well, I don't want to speak too quickly, but that thing really flew off. So hopefully that survived, because that's my only GPS I have. Oh, there we go. Alright, guys. 66.2 kilometers per hour. 66.2 kilometers per hour. I definitely did lose the rubber band that kept this in place. I see it's not on the vehicle. Let's quickly look at the damage on the vehicle. Alright, guys, so yeah, did get a couple of nasty hits there. Alright, guys, so the plan is to get this drift 100% perfect. Coming from that side, going along here and going around there. Along. Alright, not yet, not yet. Okay, not quite there yet. Power! Oh! Awesome! Oh yeah! That was a fairly nice drift, but I would have liked a little bit more dramatic exit. Oh! Oh! Yeah, that was awesome, guys. Oh! 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 Oh, that was crazy good, guys. Alright guys, let's try to capture my drifting brilliance. Right, here we go, guys. Yes! I think that was it, guys. I think that was the perfect drift.